Awesome, awesome, awesome. We are live. Awesome. Okay, all are set. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in for the exclusive launch event of Graphy by Unacademy. Lifetime deal on pitch grounds, summer and monsoon sale. This is gonna be the super exciting launch show, guys. If you're watching us live, shoot your questions inside the comment box, and if you're watching this replay, do not forget to check it out pitchground.com and the lifetime deal of Graphy. I'm very much excited for the today's product show. Hello, guys. This is your host Swapnil. So, without further ado, let me welcome our guest, Mr. Gaurav, Associate Director of Graphy. Here we go. Hey, Gaurav. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we are super excited. Gaurav, if you can take a moment to introduce yourself and share your entrepreneur journey before we get started, that would be fantastic.
Hey, hi. Yep.
We are live, Gaurav. We are watching you.
Sure. Thanks a lot, Swapnil, for the introduction. Hi, everyone, whosoever is live and who's going to tune in later. I'm Gaurav. Just a second. Is that the audio problem? 1 second.
No, it's audible.
Just a
It's
second. Can you guys
audible.
hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you perfect.
One
There is no
second.
disturbance. You're audible. Your video
Am
is
I audible by any
yes,
chance?
you're audible. Yeah.
So sorry about that. This is the first time, so glitches can happen. But yeah, coming back. So yeah, everyone, hi. I'm Gaurav, and I'm one of the associate directors for Graphy by an Academy, and spent almost 10 years in the startup fraternity. Before this, I've been an entrepreneur myself. Cracked Y Combinator, did a couple of great things in my own journey, and yes, what brings me to Graphy very interestingly is the edtech economy and the creator economy. That's what is growing in the market, and where there is growth, where you'll find me. So that's the reason. Quick introductions more about what I'm doing. So I head the international business, expanding Graphy to greater heights. That's what my role is. That's what my responsibility is, and I also have got something exclusive for everybody watching over here and the pitch ground community. So that will come a little bit later. But yes, just a quick introduction about what Graphy does as a product. So basically, we are a product for any individual, and this is my sales pitch for everybody out there. So that for any individual who has any kind of a skill, talent, knowledge, or expertise, and is willing to monetize their knowledge, and they believe that knowledge is worth some dollars, then Graphy is the go to platform for every individual out there. Because from the aspect of creating your own online courses, that's the first step towards you can make your knowledge monetized, and hosting live sessions, live classes, to an aspect of doing free sessions, webinars, any aspect of making sure that you can actually transcend your knowledge to a wider audience. And the best part is, if you have audience, then it's a ready to go platform for you. That's where Graphy comes into picture. What differentiates us from all the other players out there, because I'm sure that there's a lot of clutter in the space, that we are a completely white label solution. You can actually get your own website at no code. Obviously nobody wants to be a techie and spend their time in coding out there, so that's one part. Second of all, we are a mobile app first company, and we believe that a mobile app is the future. So not only the website, Graphy actually gives you the power to launch your own mobile apps on Android and iOS. And yes, that comes along with it to kickstart your 360 brand coverage once you start building your own personal brand and start monetizing your knowledge. So that's in a glimpse of what we do, what we have got till now, what we have achieved till now. I'll cover a bit later. But yes, that's a quick introduction of our product and about me. Swapnil, go
Awesome,
ahead. If
awesome.
there's anything I've missed out, let me know. Sure.
Okay. Thank you so much for the brief introduction about your entrepreneur journey and what Graphic does. And before we dive into it, let me play the video. And here we go.
Going to share the knowledge across the world. This one is huge, just believe me. What's going on, guys? This is Val from PitchGround. Have you ever thought about creating an online course? I mean, you might be an expert in your field, so how about sharing your expertise? Whether you are a web designer, a videographer, a cook, a dog trainer, a marketer, or even an expert in survival in the wilderness. So, why don't you teach others? You can definitely make someone's life better, improve your own skills, and who knows, maybe get some insights too. Help others grow, not to mention that it could open a new source of income. So, if you were thinking of creating an online course and you don't know where to start, here are some tips. First, you must have a website. Additionally, you should have a mobile app. After that, you need a learning management system and content management system. Next step, you need an e-commerce functionality with the payment gateway to start selling your courses. If you want to have all that under one roof, Graphy is the place to go. Graphy is not just a platform to monetize content. It's a full-featured, powerful machine with a lot of tools on board. It is your white-label website and mobile app, LMS, CMS, e-commerce, payment gateway, marketing and engagement tool, Swarm packages, webinars and recorded courses, and much more. You can upload any sort of content: audio, video, quizzes, PDFs, and forms. Country-specific pricing feature enables you to set up different prices for particular countries. As per security, well, Graphy is known as the most secure platform around the globe. Screen recordings, screenshots, or video downloads are not possible. Only offline downloads are available. And last but not least, the learning community. If you don't leverage that, you're probably missing out on quite a big chunk of your audience. Graphy is the one of the leading platforms in the world, and now PitchGround is launching this insanely great tool as a lifetime deal for a ridiculous price, so don't miss out and bring your expertise into the world. That's pretty much it, guys. Let's keep growing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Thank you, Val, for the awesome explanation what Graphy does and what Graphy is. And we are really excited to launch the lifetime deal on the pitchground.com. And over to you, Gaurav, how you're feeling right now about the deal that we are launching on today. So what's your feeling about it?
Well, I'm absolutely thrilled about it. I believe that it's a one time opportunity for people to grab it, and this is not going to come back again. I can guarantee that. So, for all the folks out there who's watching this and who's going to watch it later, definitely a steal for you all because the objective is very simple. As soon as you think about starting something, and you should not think about spending recurring cost and making payments again and again every month, where there will be ups and downs in the journey. That's what we have observed, and that's the beauty of Graphy as a platform today, because we don't have a recurring subscription model, which generally all SaaS company does. That's what actually chews the brain of a lot of people, and then you get into the trouble of cancellations and everything of that sort. So that's what we have taken it away from the product. So yeah, I'm pretty excited and looking forward for the folks out there who's going to be on a platform and our customers in future.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, if you have any questions related to the platform, what is Graphy, and if you wanted to know more about the Graphy, you can shoot your questions inside the comment box. We would be happy to answer all your questions and the doubt. And do not forget to check it out, the lifetime deal on the pitchground.com, which is going to get live within few minutes. So it might get launched, before we wrap up this call. And yeah, over to you, Gaurav.
Cool. So, for everybody who's watching in today, quick introductions about the product. Swapnil, if you can give me a heads up that my slide is visible, I can see yes. So, great. Obviously, brand name's known for everybody. Graphy by Unacademy. That's the product. That's a brand name. What we are doing, what's our mission? Just iterating in one single line, like I mentioned earlier, that we are building a word in which online creators, experts, educators, entrepreneurs, any individual, like I said, any individual with any sort of a knowledge, talent, skill, expertise, has an audience and willing to monetize from that, is where your journey from Graphy can start. So we are building the word in which online creators are there, and we're gonna like literally change their lives. That's how it is structured, right? Moving further, Graphy can do what as a product? Graphy is the best way right now to scale your business, brand, and the most important, community. These are the three pillars on which our product, design, tech, and business team works on a day-to-day basis. That how we can help people to actually monetize their knowledge business, how they can build their brand, and how they can actually have their own private communities on the platform, because like everybody's watching from Facebook, YouTube, different places out there, you very well know the power of building a community today. And I believe that somebody who's not doing that today is literally need to live back in this world, but you're living in some other world for sure. So that's what we are focused on, that's what we are doing as a product and as a business today. Moving further, what we do in just simple three steps. Once you're in Graphy, once you're on the platform, we enable you to create online courses. Recently, we've also launched memberships. If something or some people really are not sure about that, for courses, I need to prepare content and where to start with the content side and everything of that sort. I think one way to look at it is you can launch your exclusive membership at a cost and see that how many people want to be exclusively be a part of your community, and that's what you can keep engaging with them at a monthly and a recurring cost. So that's what we have recently built on. You will find that in the product, and yes, you will get that with the pitch ground deal for sure. So that's one part. Just highlighting a little bit about creating online courses. You can create any sort of course on Graphy. It could be a free course, it could be a paid course, it could be literally a bundled together, a package of multiple courses together. And if I get into the nitty gritties of the product, this live will run for almost 24 hours. That's not what I'm going to do. So that's the functionality that we provide to the maximum extent. We also provide you to build your own website, so you don't have to go to any of the third platform out there like Wix or WordPress to build your website and then integrate Graphy as a backend. No, you can all do it at one single place. So you can actually build your own website. We provide inbuilt themes as well that basically you can help to structure your content the way you want it. And yes, no need to go into the HTML, CSS, and all those kind of things. That's very well taken care on our platform. That's the second part, and the most important part for those folks who join a little bit late is that Graphy is one of the platforms which enables you to also launch your own mobile apps. That's your private labeled mobile apps. So the best part is that nobody comes to know that your community is running on Graphy. It's your Play Store, App Store app. People can search by your name. People can search Gaurav. People can search Swapnil, and whatever academy, whatever cool name you want to give it to your brand, that's the name that you can put it out there, and you will have your own private members over there. You can actually give them access to your content over there on the mobile apps. That's the power of Graphy as a wholesome product. So in three single steps, we help you to launch your courses, we help you to build no code websites, and also we help you to launch your memberships. And third is that we help you launch your own mobile apps. In the very crux, that's it, what Graphy does. What should be the 2022 for you? You should actually take the full ownership of building your own brand. And I think everybody who's following Pitch Ground, everybody who knows Udit for sure, because the face of the brand, Oscar, the face of the brand, it's very, very important for you guys to understand that if you're not building your own personal brand today, you're literally not investing on yourself. Just like how you invest in stock markets, cryptos, and want to grow your wealth, if you really want to build your net worth and if you really want to grow yourself, I think you should really start considering the fact that you should build your own brand. Because tomorrow, I believe, being an entrepreneur, that investors is going to chase funding solopreneurs and individual entrepreneurs as compared to companies. And if you yourself are a brand out there, you will see that the market will change. So that's very important. That's the aspect that we give you a 360-degree view of your brand, that you build your white label website, you build your mobile apps, everything of that sort. That is where the whole aspect of Graphy comes into picture. And yes, your students, your learners can join live, they can do off, they can take the access to the pre-recorded courses. When you will get into the nitty-gritty of the product, I will give you a glimpse of the product. I might not dive into the depth of the product, but yes, the aspect of our focus and objective, not the mission, but the objective is to make sure that every individual who comes on Graphy takes the full ownership of their brand. So yes, that's the aspect of our product objective. What we have done so far, here are some stats, here are some numbers. Graphy is not something that is built just on a single day or like launched in just a couple of months. We've been there for a good amount of time. We've tried multiple things, and this is the scale we have reached at today. uh, More than 80 million plus people out there have been positively impacted on our platform. Learners participated in over 100k plus courses. That's the depth that the platform has been tested out. So you will not find that, hey, we are just new in the market and we are just trying to figure things out, you're going to try our product. No, we have actually tested to the maximum capacity, where our product is very, very stable out there for you out there, for everybody out there who's going to use the product. And yes, more than 176K live classes have been conducted on Graphy, and it's just maybe today also when you'll go on Graphy, there will be like 100 plus classes right now running all across the globe. So that's the impact we have created in three different aspects of users, learners, and also students who have joined from all across the globe. Couple of initiatives what we are taking as a product. These are the three things that we are particularly working on. These are live. You can definitely go and check it out, although they are right now in a little bit of beta stage. Graphy Repo is one of our recent product launches. The website is called graphyrepo.com. You can actually go and check out the creators out there, what's their social index, how well they're performing, how well they're growing. It helps actually for every creator out there to know what your competitive space is. So if you are somebody who's creating content in blog, if you are somebody who's creating content and teaching something, and you want to know that how other people are growing, Graphy Repo can actually help you with insights of other creators out there. And obviously once you log in, your insights will also be mutually available for them. So that's a project that our product team is working on. Graphy Link is a very interesting product. You can go on link.graphy.com to access the product. It's absolutely free, no cost at all. It's very similar to a lot of people who don't believe in going out and doing courses out there and believe in one-on-one consultations and having a chat. So Link by Graphy is one of the products which will soon be available within the product integration as well. You can actually use it for free right now. Set up calls, set up meeting, which is a one-on-one. A lot of people use Calendly and then pay for it to remove branding and everything of that sort. It's very similar to that, but the idea of building this product is that it gets integrated into the whole ecosystem of Graphy. So even if you want to do one-on-ones, even if you want to do group cohorts, even if you want to do live cohorts, that all is under one umbrella. The third initiative is Certificates by Graphy. Very interesting product. We were almost on the number one product hunt when we launched Certificates by Graphy. The intent of this product is that a lot of people want to build credibility, and when they do the courses, they want to issue different kind of certificates. It's like a third party product that we have built, but it is very well integrated on Graphy as well. The full smooth integration is still in the product pipeline, but just want to keep you guys updated that what the product team is spending their time, effort, and energy on to make sure that the experience of running your online business or an academy is like 100% foolproof game for you all. Moving quickly forward, what we have for all the pitch ground users is this. So
So
if you
before
go,
before we unwrap this,
okay, sure,
we'll
sorry,
just go back. And guys, if you
okay,
have any questions related to the plans and pricing, that we are going to reveal it right now. And if you have any questions related to the product, and some of the questions we cannot answer in the live, so you have to reach out to the graphics support team if you want to know, if you want to upgrade your previous purchases and all that stuff. You can reach out to the graphics support, and they will help you out to help you out to incorporate with your the oldest purchases, right? So guys, Graphy is an all-in-one platform designed to help you build supercharged online courses. With it, you can create custom courses and build stunning no-code websites and even launch your own apps. Used by 40,000 plus creators across the globe. I have taken these numbers, I think so, for 2 months back. So I don't know what is the current number, but I can proudly say that Graphy is empowering 40,000 plus creators across the globe. This is a powerful platform that will help you launch a successful online teaching business, even if you are the first time course creator, like a newbie, right? This course creation platform is perfect for every creator or any creator who wants to grow their audience and monetize their skills. It's also ideal if you want to host live cohort based courses. So Graphy has the inbuilt integration of Zoom. So I know everybody knows what Zoom does, right? So you can have the live sessions with your learners. You can set up one-on-one calls with your learners, and that sort of integration is live available inside the Graphy. So you need not to pay any fees to avail the benefits of Zoom out of the Graphy, right? And here are the few use cases, or the some of the use cases I would like to show. All different ways you can use Graphy. For example, if you're a team, right? So you can create and share reports and dashboards between team members to radically improve the way your organization works with the data. And if you're an individual, you can create a custom course and build a website to market your content to your target students or target audience. If you're a beginner, you have you just want to start your courses, right? You want to share your knowledge across the globe, and you don't know what to do, how to launch your courses, how to launch your website, how to monetize your knowledge. In that cases, Graphy is the wonderful tool for you. If you need to create a website and mobile apps for your course, but you don't know how to code and don't have the money for extensive developers, because everybody knows that developing mobile apps, iOS and Android, takes a lot of money, right? So Graphy covers that aspect as well. So this platform is a perfect for you, and this will help you out to monetize your knowledge, and you can launch your courses, your curriculum, whatever you want to launch. If you want to do a one-on-one sessions, if you want to do a cohort-based sessions, you can do that as well. And if you are the established creator, Graphy is also great for established creators, because you can build and expand on something that you have already started. Because most of the people who are rely on what they do is, usually, when I have started building my courses, I have not launched. That's a different story altogether. But when I started thinking to launch my courses, so what was my perception? Like, I'll build a WordPress website, and then I'll go for the videos hosting solution, then I'll integrate that, and lot of things that I have created, but I did not launch anything. So Graphy is the all-in-one solution. You need not to purchase any website hosting, you need not to code anything, you need not to develop any apps, because those are available inside the platform. You can create apps, mobile apps, right? And monetization is also there. You can connect hundreds of apps inside the platform. For example, if you want to do any automations, if you want to push some data to the to other platforms, email marketing solutions, or WhatsApp business apps, or any sort of apps which does the automation, if you want to integrate that inside the platform, that is available right now. So this is all-in-one solution for you guys, with the affordable LMS, I can say, ease of use, robust affiliate system. That is one of the biggest feature that I can say. There is an affiliate program that allows others to, you can promote your courses and you can monetize in that sort of business as well. So affiliate model is also available. And the most and important thing is, this is the well established company and the top company, I can say, in India, and they are spreading across the globe. And this is the all-in-one platform, I can say. And you must grab this deal, because this is gonna be the insane deal on the pitchcount.com. Over to you, uh, Gaurav.
Whoa, Swapna, that was good. Great. So, yes, coming to the part about the deal, which is now the curtain raiser moment for everybody who's watching this live, that what they're going to get out of it. And yes, to be very fair and honest, this is in limited quantity available on PitchGround. So, you might see the out of stock coming in very soon. But yes, here's the deal. So basically, if you go on graphy.com today and if you want to purchase any of the plans, the Graphy launch plan comes at a $199 cost, which is a one-time setup cost. By the way, we don't charge any recurring fees, but we do have a 10% revenue share on every transaction. That's the business model that we run on pitch ground. If you go and you take it, this is just gonna be at $99. You don't have to pay anything else over and above to avail all the product features that are available. If you want to look and feel of the product, go on Graphy, sign up on the product. You can have a trial, look at the product, that what all is available. And if you then go on pitch ground and just take the deal, everything will be made accessible to you. No hidden costs beyond this. Yes, to make it very fair and clear for everybody to understand one aspect over here about the cost, that in case you wish to have your own mobile apps, then there is a developer account cost that you will be incurring to Google and to Apple App Store. That is a cost that is not included in this, because like I mentioned, we basically enable you to have your own white labeled website mobile apps, right? So if technically you deploy your app under our brand name, your app becomes ours. So just to make clear that the only payment that you will be required to make in future will be to Google and to Apple, and not to Graphy. Graphy will not be charging you anything apart from this amount and 10% revenue share. Very interesting. If you feel that 10% is a lot more higher according to your business, and you wish to go with Graphy's Rise plan, which actually comes at a $3,999 per year and a 5% of revenue share, this you can get on pitch ground at just $399 lifetime deal. You don't have to pay us anything. You just pay $399 and pay 5% instead of 10%. This is the deal where you can actually get a lot excited, because product wise both the plans have everything same, nothing changes much, just the percentage of commission changes. That's the only biggest difference out there in both the plans. But yes, a lot of our creators, a lot of our experts feel that 10% generally suits for people, to be very fair and honest and being very very open about it, that it suits for a lot of people who are kickstarting their journey. They feel that, okay, yes, I'm going to grow and all, but for somebody who's actually settled, well established, and want to have a platform and a white label system out there, if you feel that you are at that stage of your business, you can just pay $399 and get it at 5%. That's the best part. Yes. So these are the two exclusive deals available on PitchGround. You will not be able to avail these deals on Graphy. You will not be able to avail these deals anywhere right now on the internet. This is only exclusively available with PitchGround and PitchGround community members. So yeah, what are you waiting for? If you feel that's right, go ahead and sign up. I think the chat, the link is already available for people to go and sign up. And just to give you guys a quick heads up about my last very simple slide, that Graphy is not an Indian company. We basically are placed across the globe. We have three headquarters right now: one in the US, one in Singapore, one in India. This is where our teams are distributed right now in three different markets out there. So if you want to get in touch with any of our sales representative, you want to come and visit our office sometime, if you guys are there in any of these places, most welcome. This is where we are based out of. For any queries, any questions, you can reach out for sales@graphy.com for sale. And if you have any support queries, we are 24/7 available for you guys. Drop in a note on the chat on our website, and you will be able to get your answers within 24 hours for sure. I'm assuming a quick earlier than that. That's pretty much it, to be honest, about the slide. I am more open to have a chat with people, to give them answers about their queries in the chat.
Awesome.
I think some, yeah.
Yeah,
Swapnil,
yeah,
go
yeah.
ahead.
So we'll
Sorry.
pick up the questions, guys. If you have any questions related to the plans and pricing, just now we disclosed that we revealed the plans and pricing, guys. This is gonna be the insane no-brainer deal, because you have seen that you just have to pay $99 if you want to go for the lower plan, and you have to pay 10% as a commission to the Graphy, because every LMS platform charge that, because the features, the value, the ease of use, UI, UX, everything is top notch. The companies were established, well funded, and you need not to worry about anything, right? Because you can close your eyes and you can just click the buy button and you can grab whatever plan that you want. First plan is $99, and the second plan is $399. And if you want to go for that, that that is the actual plan that you need to buy, because the commission is low, and you're gonna get the higher amount of features. There is no discrimination between the features, but obviously the commission matters. If you are a beginner, you can go for the plan A. If you are an established creator, and if you don't want to pay 10% to Graphic, go for the second plan, right? So we'll pick up some of the questions that we are coming across. So let me take a few questions. All right. So the Chaitan is asking, like, can we convert our LMS platform to white labeled mobile app included with the LTD?
Hey Chaitanya, so let me help you and frame your question right. If you have your own LMS platform, then you cannot convert it. It's a one single ecosystem where you have to be in. We are actually an LMS. We actually white label mobile apps and also the system is one. You cannot actually have another LMS and you cannot actually have mobile apps. Both cannot be integrated. You actually, in this case, needs to manage both these two systems separately. So you can actually, your LMS management would be the way, whichever LMS you're using, mobile apps would be here. You have to duplicate all the content over here to make sure it's available for your community out there. If you want to take that hassle of actually having two systems, it's all up to you, man.
All right, all right. So I'll pick up the next question. So we got a comment from YouTube. So he's asking, is the $399 per year or one time fee? You just
It's a
have to
one-time
pay one
fees.
time fee. It's a
One time.
lifetime amount. You have to pay 399 to avail the insane benefits and insane features from Graphy. No need to pay monthly, no need to pay yearly, no need to, no need to pay anything, right? You just have to pay one time fee and avail this enterprise level grade software, and you can monetize your knowledge, because the value that you're going to get from the Graphy, the features, because like just go and sign up. You will you'll blown away, right? I've taken a demo from the Graphy team, and I was literally stunned because the features and everything was smooth. The UI, UX, and the feature sets, everything was in the format, and the on top of it they have the Zoom integration, so you not to pay anything to Zoom. It comes inbuilt, so you can take the code based classes, you can go live with your students, you can take one-on-one sessions, right? So everything is possible. You can monetize your knowledge the way you want. So we'll pick up the next question. Uh, so yeah, so the same person is asking, can we host multiple brands?
Okay, yes. So to answer this question, I think your query is, can we host multiple domains? No.
Yeah.
One plan, one domain. Custom domain is a feature available. So you can actually have, we don't provide you domains. You can map your domains or subdomains to Graphy. But one plan, if you have one account, it was only going to be for one domain. Best part is you have multiple domains, buy multiple plans. That's all I can say about it.
Awesome, awesome. So I'll pick up the next question. Uh,
Sure.
yes, someone is asking, I'm from Indonesia, and do Graphy can have local payments as well? Do as I do have 20K students now, but the mobile apps would be great addition. So
Great
I think
question.
he's asking the local payment gateway of Indonesia.
Yes. To be very fair and honest, Stripe is the payment gateway that we support globally. If Stripe is enabled in Indonesia, you can connect it. Local payment gateways, unfortunately, we can't. To be very fair and honest, because the 10% commission that we charge is automated process, so we cannot have a local payment gateway integration. That's the reason for Indian customers out there. To be honest, Razor Pay is another payment gateway that we support. So these two are the payment gateway options available. I hope that answers your question.
Awesome, awesome. We'll pick up the next question. So someone is asking, like, so we can add the apps from our developer account, or should we publish from Graphy? So what's the
Good
process
question.
of
Like I
mobile
iterated,
apps? So
I'll
if
help
you,
you with that.
yeah, okay.
Yes, I'll help you with that. So very simple. Like I even covered in my slides, if what happens at Graphy, you basically get access of the whole product. We give you access, or we actually deploy white label apps under your developer account. So Graphy will not publish app under Graphy's brand name. You will go create a developer console account on Google, developer console account on Apple. Just to get you right, you will pay $25 lifetime for a Google Play Store
Google,
account.
yeah.
It's $99 per annum for Apple. That's a cost they charge, we don't charge. After that step is done, you will come back to us. By the way, our onboarding team, which was going to be supporting you, will help you to deploy all these processes. Don't worry on the part that you will be left stranded, that hey, how do I go about it? So they will help you with each and every process and steps out there, that how it will be done. Having said that, if app is a question, I have another aspect to cover, which I didn't cover in the slide, is if you feel that you don't want to put out $25 to Google and $99 to Apple, we also give common iOS and Android apps, which is basically a central place, an app which is basically my school, my academy. We have built an app where you can get a space. People can enter your domain out there and you can have an access to there, but that's not white labeled. That's not your white label. That's a common app used by all the creators of Graphy. If they don't want to incur that cost, they use common apps. If they feel no, it's all about building a brand from day one and I have all properties in sync, then you go ahead with a white label solution. Both are included in the product. It's your choice. So it depends on your choice. You just have to let our onboarding team specialist, who's going to be connected with you, to help you understand how to go about it.
Awesome, awesome. So let me pick up the next question.
Sure.
Someone from the Facebook is asking, any limitation for educators or team members?
Awesome question. Please go on graphy.com/pricing page. It's all unlimited. No limit on learners, no limit on admins, no limit on team members. Yes, if you're asking this question, I am assuming to the fact you might have seen other products out there where there is additional charges for more admins, more team members, sub admins, instructors, all those things. Graphy has all unlimited. You'll not be charged anything.
So we are getting a question from Chaitanya. He's asking, is video storage is also included with the LTD and how much?
Yes. So video storage is included in the plan out there. Obviously, there is a fair usage policy. Please go check. But I'm assuming to the fact until unless you are not a movie creator and building like a 4K movie every day, so you will definitely be there about. But I think it's unlimited video storage, 720p, 1080p resolution supported out there. Please just check the fair usage policy. To be very fair honest, we get very rare cases when somebody crosses the limit of streaming of video. But to answer your question, unlimited video storage is available.
Awesome, awesome. So we got a one more question. Okay, the same question. Let me pick up the next one. Okay, is there any geo pricing capabilities?
Yes, we do have a feature called country specific pricing. You basically can sell your courses, your memberships in dollars and in US at a different price, in euros at a different price. When somebody will open from Europe, they will see the Europe pricing. When somebody will open from US, they will see the USD pricing. You can set it up the way you want it. That's how the geolocation pricing is there.
Awesome. The next question is, are we able to do student enrollment via API?
Nope. That's a hack, to be very honest. So no, bulk enrollments of students from the backend is not allowed. To be the fair reason, because that's where it gets a little tricky for us to calculate the number of learners out there. So that's not possible. Yeah, that's a limitation.
Okay. Next question is, any limit on participants on live session?
Yeah, very good question. If you're using Zoom, then it's a 300 people limit out there. But if you are exceeding that limit, you can have your own YouTube live, you can have your Sprout video, you can have any other live embedded out there, and that can have as many people as you want. But if you're using Zoom as a live session, there is a 300-person limit out there. Yeah.
Okay. So the next question is coming from Ashok. Is asking, will there be any charges for free registrations?
No, absolutely not. If you want to do free courses and you want to come on Graphy and start doing your free courses, webinars, you can use the platform. No charges will be there for that.
Next question is the 10% including the payment gateway processing fees or it is
Very
separate?
good question. It is not including the payment gateway charges. Payment gateway charges depend upon the payment gateway that you've integrated. Varies from 2 to 3% at max in case of Stripe. That's an amount that is not covered in the 10%. 10% directly comes to us.
Next question is from Chaitanya. He's asking, will there be any limitations for organization if they conduct some free courses or tutorials on personality development or entrepreneurship for youth?
No, there will not be any limitations for even any organizations or anybody who's trying to use Graphy. If you want to do free courses, you just go take the deal, go ahead, list your products and list your courses out there. You will not be charged anything.
Awesome, awesome. So the next question is coming from Brijesh. He's asking, is Zoom subscription included? Yeah,
Yes, you
it's included.
get Zoom subscription included in the plan whenever you pay for it, and basically that's basically used to conduct your live classes, recorded classes. Whenever you will do a course, you want to set up a live class, Zoom will be there available as an integration.
Right. So no need to pay separate fee for the Zoom integration,
Nope.
right? It's
Yep,
already
not
free
required.
inside the platform. So you're saving tons of money on the Zoom integrations, right? All right. So I think so. We have done most of the questions. Guys, if you have any questions related to the plans and pricing, related to features, related to the platform policy and everything, you can ask your questions and you can clarify all the doubts. And we would be happy to answer all your questions and doubts before we wrap up. I think so. We have covered all the questions, whatever been asked inside the chat box. Okay,
Oh,
so one more question came from YouTube. Swapnil is asking, hello Swapnil, I am also Swapnil. Okay, so Swapnil is asking, how soon can I set it up?
as soon as possible. You can set it up the moment you're there on a platform. Once you have redeemed the deal, come on a platform, just get the code right. You're there on the onboarding process. Our onboarding team will reach out to you, and you're all in.
So just plug and play, just fill up your details, fill up your payment gateway details and everything. Just set up your domain. That's it. You're ready to go live within 1 hour or 30 minutes. I can say if you're able to filling out all the details perfectly, there is no misinformation that you filled out. Awesome, awesome. So, guys, if you have any questions before we wrap up, because it's time to wrap up the call, and I think so. We have answered all the questions. Guys, this is an insane deal. You can start creating your course with the DIY platform, done for you platform, because everything is there, every feature which LMS required. You have seen a lot of LMS plugins, you have seen a lot of LMS SaaS, right? So whatever features and functions which are required, highly required, that is available inside the Graphy. So go create and launch a custom built website and create an app to host and market your courses. There are also automated payment gateways to make your work of processing payments a lot more easier and much more, right? A lot of features are there. As I said, the Zoom integration is available inside. No need to pay any recurring fees to Zoom to avail the benefits of Zoom. You can take live courses, you can take live classes, you can take one-on-one sessions on Zoom. There a lot of possibilities are there. You can do wonders, you can monetize your knowledge the way you want. And so guys, why to wait? Grab the lifetime deal of Graphy and start monetizing your knowledge. And the deal is live on pitchground.com. Just head over to pitchground.com/products/graphy. I think so the page will is not available right now. We are pushing the page. The sales page will get live within 5 to 10 minutes or within couple of minutes. And guys, go and grab your license. There are only two plans are available. One is $99 plan and second one is $399 plan. If you want to go for the higher plan, if you want to go for the lower plan, as per your feasibility, as per your requirements, you can go and opt in for the plans. There are no feature discrimination. Every feature is available, whatever plan you're going to choose from, all right? And the difference is the commissions and the fees that you're going to pay to the Graphy team, right? So if you're going for the $99 plan, that is the base plan. There you have to pay 10% to the Graphy, and if you're going for the higher plan, that is plan B, and where you have to just pay 5%, the 5% commission to the Graphy. So guys, this is a no-brainer, an insane tool, feature-rich tool, and well from the well-established company, the Graphy from Unacademy. Go get your lifetime deal from pitchground.com. And thank you so much, Gaurav, for taking your precious time out and sharing some valuable information. And thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. We'll be seeing you in the next Graphies webinar. Till the time, take care, be happy, and keep improving 1% every day. Have a good day, all.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.